everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's look is a cute, easy Bantu knot hairstyle with some cornrows and some jewels. Also with this hairstyle, I use the edge booster. That's for coarse and thick hair. Super great for our 4C ladies. Okay, so now you see I already separated and parted my Bantu knots, and right now I am going to cornroll my hair on the sides. For this hairstyle, you will need to have 3 cornrows. You don't have to be the best cornroller. This is a personal hairstyle for yourself. I like to create these looks because I'm not a professional, but I know as women, our hair is like an additional accessory. So by no means do you have to be a great braider, because Lord knows I am not. So here I am adding some edge control and cornroll in my hair. Now, I don't know if it's really cornrows, but listen, I did the 3 strands and I made it work, and it looked cute in pictures and it looked cute in person, and that's all that matters, okay? So I'm braiding this all the way down to the ends, and then I feel like the easiest braid was the one in the middle, and that's the most essential one for this hairstyle. So now I am adding the edge booster product, and I'm brushing the product in because the product is pretty thick. It kind of looks like it's not all the way brushed in on camera, but I assure you that in person it wasn't looking all white and bright. So now I am just twisting my hair around a couple of times and adding a bobby pin. This hairstyle I didn't want as a protective style or to even have for a few days. This was just a quick little hairstyle that I wanted to put in my head to like really enhance my outfit. I thought it would be really cute and trendy with the look that I was wearing for that day. So here I am brushing in the product because the product is pretty thick. So you do have to make sure you brush it in. And I'm working on my baby hairs. I'm really not so much of a baby hairs girl, but it is fun to make baby hairs. It really is. And I see why girls go crazy for it because it's cute and it adds a little jazz to the look. Again, I'm repeating the steps and I'm rolling my hair around and I'm adding the bobby pins. I guess if you guys wanted to make it a more protective style, for a few days, you can use rubber bands, hair scrunchies, or maybe even try to tuck it in and add a little bit of spritz so that it wouldn't unravel. So that is another thing you can do. But I knew that I was not keeping this hairstyle in. After I came home, washed my face, and took a bath, the hair was coming out. Again, I'm repeating the same steps by adding the product and twisting my hair around. I didn't want the Bantu knots to be too small, so I didn't twist my hair too tight. And I didn't want them to be too loose, so I did twist them all the way down so that when I did wrap it around, it would create height. Again, I'm having fun making those baby hairs. I like baby hairs now. I'm a fan. Baby's hairs definitely won me over. I like baby hairs. And I don't know if I mentioned, but this hairstyle was inspired by Eva. She is a model. She's currently on The Real Housewives of Atlanta, and she did this cute little hairstyle. She had multiple braids and she also got it done professionally, and I knew that I did not know how to cornrow hair, like my hair from the back and the side. So I wasn't even going to try to do that. I kept it cute and simple for my girls who are braid impaired. Super easy. So I'm doing the last Bantu knot, adding my thing. Yep. Okay, now the best part. The best part is adding the jewels. So I got these little gold jewels from my local beauty supply store. I believe they were $1.99, and I'm just having fun with them. For this hairstyle, I don't think less is more. I think the more jewels, the more gold, the merrier. It was really, really cute. You can even add some gold string to make it pop as well, or maybe white. Super cute. And here you go. Now this is me with my makeup on, lashes, and a cute little top, but I didn't even end up wearing that top. That outfit didn't go cute with this hairstyle. But guys, I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys recreate this look as well. For those who know how to braid, I know it's going to be extra bomb. Thank you guys for watching. Okay, I got too carried away with trying to exit out of you guys. But again, thank you guys for watching. And I will be creating more content and showing you guys how to do some quick, easy hair tutorials to add to your, outfit. Bye now. Okay, I'm serious now. Bye.